and today I'm going to be solving the 2x2, but before I start this video, make sure to smash that like button. So to solve the 2x2, you'll need to find the white centerpiece, which is going to be a corner piece that has red and blue. And then you're going to find other white corner pieces that match up with red and green or blue and orange, and then it will be really easy to find the other matches. And when you're done, it should end up looking like this. And then you're gonna flip it over, and you're gonna do a simple algorithm, like in the 3x3. RU, RIU, RUU, RI. RU, RIU, RUU, RI. And you do it enough times till you have one corner piece like this of the yellow. And then you're gonna do the algorithm. It can take 2 times to do it, and then you can move on to the last stage of the 2x2, and you're going to do the algorithm RI, F, RI, BB, RU, FI, RBB, RR, UI, which I didn't need to do. And once you have the solid blue, you'll face the green, or any color. You'll face the opposite color, and then you're gonna do RI, F, RI, BB, R, FI, RI, BB, RR, UI, and that's how to solve the 2x2. Over and out.